what occasions you have seen your parents carrying gifts or taking gifts?
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm doing very well. And how about you?
I'm also doing good. So you are in which class?
I'm in class 6th.
Okay, you are in 6th standard. Okay, fine, very good. So did you see the topic?
Yes, I've seen it.
Okay, fine. So is it interesting? The topic is gifts.
Yes, it is
Okay,
interesting.
okay. So just tell me. Um, okay. So you must be receiving many gifts, no, on your birthday.
Yes.
Okay. So what is your favorite gift?
My favorite gift, I cannot tell one.
Many
There
gifts.
are many. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fine. One or two or three. You just tell me among your favorites.
Okay. My first favorite is science kit. I love it.
Okay.
My father gifted it.
Okay.
And my uncle gifted me a Barbie set, a Barbie doll set. That was also good. I liked it.
Okay.
And my father gifted me one more thing. It was called a writing tab. In it we had to write it, and by pressing one button it also deleted.
Okay. Okay. Very good. So you have received your among your favorite gifts: science kit, Barbie doll, and writing tab. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now, do you like homemade gifts? Has anybody given
Yes,
you
I like.
homemade gift? Okay. So, what kind of
Yes.
homemade gift you have received so far?
I have received a friendship band from my
Okay.
friends, and I have received one greeting card. My friend
Okay.
made it for me,
Okay.
and I have received. Um, yes, that's it. I received these things many times.
Okay. Friendship bands and greeting cards. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, do you gift your friends? Do you make greeting cards for your friends?
Yes, of course, I make greeting cards and I make friendship bands for them, and I make greeting cards for my teachers.
Okay. Very good. To make your teachers happy. Did you gift anything on Teachers' Day?
I have made homemade greeting cards for them. I would
Okay.
give to
Very.
them. I did not go to school that day. I could not go to school that day. So when I would go tomorrow, then I would give to them.
Okay. After Teachers' Day, you never had school itself.
What?
Today you didn't go. Today you didn't go to school.
Yeah.
Tomorrow when you go, you would take the gifts, greeting cards.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, do you like receiving money as gift or you want gifts?
I I prefer gifts. I prefer gifts. Monies are good too, but when people give me money as gift, either it goes to my parents or I put it in my piggy bank and it gets in use after a long time. So I prefer gift as gift.
Okay. Even if they give you money, it will go to your parents, but parents are ultimately going to use it for you. But still you prefer gifts.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What are the handmade gifts you have received apart from the friendship band and what did you tell me? Yeah, friendship bands and greeting cards. Any other handmade gift, homemade gift?
Um, I have received. Yes, once I received a small photo frame. My friend gifted it. It was handmade. She made it for me.
Okay.
Yes, that's it.
Okay. Okay, fine. Very good. No, are you still using it? That photo frame? You have it with you?
No, it was a long time. I don't know where
Okay.
it is now.
Okay. Okay. So, do you preserve the gifts and keep whatever given by your parents or by your friends? Do you keep them safely?
Yes, I keep them safely.
Okay. Do you enjoy shopping for gifts? Have you ever gone and got gifts with your parents?
Yes,
Okay. On what occasion do you ask for gifts?
especially on my birthday.
Okay.
Uh, yes, on my birthday, and sometimes my father gifts me some gifts, just randomly. Like he
Okay.
gives me things randomly.
Okay. So do you ask for the gifts or he gives you voluntarily without you asking?
Sometimes it is a surprise, and sometimes I ask.
Okay. Sometimes you demand.
Yes.
Okay. So when is your birthday?
My birthday is on 31st October.
31st October. So are you waiting for your birthday? Next month is your birthday.
Yes, I'm waiting for it eagerly.
Okay. So have you told your parents what kind of gifts you want on your birthday?
No, not yet.
Have you decided?
No, I haven't decided.
You haven't decided. Okay. Have you ever received any strange gift, something which you didn't like?
Mm, no.
Nothing so
Yes,
far.
yes, I've received once. My
Okay.
sister gifted it, and it was a small box, and it was packed beautifully with a gift wrapper, gift paper. And when I opened it, there was another box. And then when I opened it, there was another box. And when I opened it once again, then there was nothing.
Okay. So she surprised you like this. Those were the cardboard
Yes,
boxes or made out of some material.
yes, they were cardboard boxes.
Okay. Did she make it for you?
No, some of them were ready made, and some of
Okay.
them she made.
Okay. Okay. So on what occasions do we exchange gifts apart from birthdays?
Apart from birthdays, we exchange gifts on Christmas, and
Okay.
and people exchange gifts in Diwali, and
Okay.
mm, in friendship day, and
Okay.
on Teachers Day.
Okay.
Mm,
So on these occasions, on Christmas, on Diwali, on Friendship Day, on Teachers Day.
yes,
Okay. Yeah. So which is your favorite festival?
my favorite festival is Christmas. Christmas.
Well, okay. Why do you like Christmas so much?
I like Christmas because we got to eat we get to eat cakes, and we eat different things like sweets and some sweets and desserts, and we go to church, and we worship, and we pray, we do prayers, and we decorate Christmas tree.
Okay. Okay. So your favorite festival is Christmas, and the reasons you have given. you get nice delicacies to eat. Okay, you eat
Yes.
pastries on that day, you receive gifts, you go to the church, you attend the mass, you wear new clothes. That is
Yes.
why you like Christmas.
Yes.
Okay. Now, uh, when is your friend's birthday? And have you decided what gift you would be giving your friend?
Mm. I Yes, my best friend's birthday is on 27th December, and I will give her a surprise handmade gift. So I won't tell anybody because she watches my YouTube videos.
Okay, okay, fine. Then let it be a secret. So something handmade you're going to gift her.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, what do you want as a gift? Something you wanted, you have asked your parents, but they said, okay, we will get you later. Is there something like that?
Yes.
What is that?
It is a small robot. It is called
Okay.
Emo. Have you heard of it?
Yeah, I think my daughter, she keeps watching some videos.
Yes, there's a small robot. It is called Emo. I want that. It can do many things, like it can entertain us, and it can paint our photos. It can click our photos. It can walk to us. It can run. It can dance, and it can play songs. It can sing songs, and yeah, it can play uh, rock paper scissors too.
Okay. So you want that as a gift.
Yes.
Okay. And so your parents told you that they will be getting it for you later.
Yes.
Okay. Now, when you receive the gifts, do you want the gifts to be wrapped or just give it to you just like that without wrapping?
uh, yeah, if it is wrapped in colorful papers, it looks more attractive.
Okay. And then you have that excitement, no? You will sit in one place, okay, unwrap it, and then you would see what is inside.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, do you always give gifts to your friends, those who give you gifts, or even if you don't receive gifts from some of them, you still give them?
Yes. I I I tie them friendship band. Yeah, that's the yeah, I do. I I make friendship band for them, and I tie friendship band to them, and I give gifts to my best friend.
And even if your best friend doesn't give you gift, you still give her?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so on what occasions you have seen your parents carrying gifts or taking gifts? Like apart from the festivals you have mentioned, is there any other occasion?
No.
Somebody's wedding, somebody's
Yeah.
housewarming ceremony.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, we take gifts on someone's wedding.
okay. So what kind of gifts generally people take on somebody's wedding?
People take paintings. They take photo frame when it's house warming. I don't know what is it called. When it is the when people mm, when people show their new house and like they invite everybody and have a small party. So
Yes.
usually people give photo frames and paintings, yeah, and other household items, special items.
Okay, very good. So you have seen your parents gifting on these occasions, weddings
Yeah.
and housewarming ceremonies.
Yes.
Okay. Now, have you ever gifted anything to your parents? Something handmade for them?
Yes, I gifted a small. Yes, I gifted a handmade gift to my father on Father's Day, and
Okay.
I made a I edited a video for my mother in Mother's Day.
Okay, very good. Okay, and did they like it?
Yes, they loved it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are some gifts children can give? What are some of the gifts you can give to your parents or to your friends? Like other than friendship bands and greeting cards, what are the other gifts you can take off?
I can give them
Okay.
chocolates and 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 hand watch, wrist watch. I can give them mm, yeah, and I can give them photo frames too.
Okay. So have you ever used your pocket money to get something for your parents?
Mm, no.
No, from your piggy bank, you haven't taken any money to buy gifts for your parents?
Actually, I'm not allowed to go out, so I I can't use them by myself. So I tell my parents to usually it is not surprise gift for them when I tell them to buy, but when I make it with my own hands, then it is a bit surprise.
Okay. So they prefer that, no? You make something out of your hands and you give them.
Yeah.
That they would love it. That will show
Yes.
your creativity also.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the worst gift you have ever received? Something which you really didn't want, you really didn't like,
Mm, no, I
nothing
haven't
of that
received
sort.
anything like that.
You okay. Okay, well, we shall move on to vocabulary. What do you mean by customized? When something is customized,